A beautiful Sunday morning, and it is the time for us to analyze the market using the mobile strategy. Okay, just like you guys have known, we usually do this every weekend. And of course, if you are wondering about the strategy which I will be using today, I showed you the setup in my last video, so you can watch my video in the channel to check it out to know how you can do this setup. Okay, so quickly I will be analyzing using this setup, and of course we are going to enjoy every bit of it. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, guys, this is 5-minute time frame, and we are analyzing boom 1000. Okay, this is boom 1000 charts. Okay, starting from this support zone, it started a new trend, which is an uptrend. You can see it crossed EMA 9, crossed above EMA 20 around there, and the market also went above above SMA 55. And if you should notice, in the window indicator, SMA 55 was around 10 also, and definitely that means it has oversold already, so it should be buying around there. And since these two are aligning together, it started buying. That is why it went on a very strong uptrend, and it's still there at the moment. Even though it is at a resistance zone, it will be trying it out again to see if it will break out the resistance zone. Okay, if it breaks it out, then it will continue with the buy trend, even though it might not be for a very long time because this is already at 90. Okay, but and if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into sell trend. But before we can say to go back into sell trend, let us look at the entry point first. Okay, so that is very, very important. So the next asset we'll be checking out is going to be Crash 1000. For Crash 1000, we can see that it got to a resistance zone right there, and if you should notice, that is when it got to 90 also around there. And of course it started coming down. We got our entry point around there, and of course it went below SMA 55 also. Okay, so it started crashing and crashing. Okay, so it has been crashing for a very long time, even though it has gotten to the support zone 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so if it tries it again and it does not break out from there, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend, most especially once the EMA 9 crosses above EMA 20, which is most likely to happen anytime from now. And of course it will even go, it will even be easier once it goes above SMA 55. Then that is when we can say it is fully on uptrend, and you can see this is already on 10. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset we'll be checking out is going to be boom 500. Let's check that out quickly. This is boom 500, just the way we're seeing it, starting from this resistance zone. It started a downtrend, and it gave us entry points and confirmation right from there. And if you should see this is also at 90, so it started selling and selling, even though this has gotten to 10. That is why it started spiking up. Okay, once this crosses above it and it goes above this, then definitely it will go fully on uptrend. Okay, so this should be buying more any moment from now, okay, than selling. Okay, so that is very, very important. The next asset we're checking out is Crash 500. Let's check that out quickly. This is Crash 500. Starting from here, it started an uptrend, got our entry point around there, got confirmed around there, and it started going up, and it's still going up at the moment, even though this start also picked up from 10 right from there, and it started going up. Okay, so let's see what the current chart is giving to us. Even though this is at 90, this is still trying to make another attempt on this resistance zone. If it breaks out from there, to continue with the buy trend, but if it does not, then it will go back into a sell trend, which might not be a long time, which might not be too long from now. Okay, so let's check out the next asset, okay, which is going to be crash 300. This is crash 300, and just the way we've seen it, starting from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and we can see it caught below it around here, and it started selling and selling. Okay, this is still on downtrend because this has not gotten to 10. Okay, so it is only pulling back, and it will go back again to try out the support zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, the next asset we're checking out is going to be boom 300. This is boom 300, guys. From this support zone, it started an uptrend. We can see it right from here, cutting above EMA 20 right there, and it got it confirmed around there, and of course it's still on uptrend. Okay, it is still on uptrend because this is still on 10, so it will only pull back a bit and go back up again till it is able to get to 90. So that is very, very important. So guys, I hope you understand every part of this analysis. Make sure you understand it and apply it carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly do so right away, and of course take your time to practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. This is very, very important. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.